You will learn how to convert a vertically shot video to horizontal video from this guide without watermark on the video, because this will help you to have your video in long form on YouTube than having it as short, which pays less. So let's get started. First is to open your Play Store. All right, I'm using an Android phone here. If you are using an iPhone, get to App Store. So tap there. Then tap on the search and then search for Canva. All right. Here I have installed it. So if you don't have Canva on your phone, please get that installed. All right, the mobile app. So after that, tap on open to open it. Accept all cookies. If you are using it for the first time, you may be told to sign up. All right, so use your Gmail, select your Gmail account until you get here. It's easy. Okay, so on this home screen, you will see some options: social media, photo editor, and the rest. Tap on video. All right, so you'll be taken to this page. Please tap on landscape. That's video landscape, which is suitable for YouTube long form video. So this brings us to this page, showing us some templates we can work with. All right, but I don't think I need any templates in this case. So I'll drag down on this, okay? Drag down on this screen for you to exit this template. I don't need any, okay? So we are brought back to this place, all right? So tap on this for this landscape stuff, all right? And still drag down here so that you have only it, okay? So I have only this now. The next step you need to take right now is to import your video. So once you're here, on this timeline, you can see some things there. You can see add page, you can see duplicate, you can see delete and the rest. So tap on this X so that you close those tools, all right? And once you close those tools, you will have some major menu items. In this case, you have design, you have elements, you have text, you have gallery. We're going to tap on gallery so that we can pick the video we want to add in this project. Okay, we'll pick the video from our phone. So I'll tap on gallery. This automatically opens our phone. All right, the gallery section of our phone, showing us some pictures we have there and some videos. Okay, so let me go with this particular video. That's what we want to edit here. Then I'll tap on add to page. Now you can see this video has been placed inside this page. All right, so I may need to reduce the volume. So I'll tap on volume so that it will not obstruct what you're doing here. Then I will drag it so that everything will be muted. All right. But if you're working on this in the real life, please don't mute the volume so that you'll be able to edit what you want to edit. Okay. But here I muted the volume so that you can only hear my voice because I'm teaching you something. Okay. So I will tap on this X to close this volume, will I say 2? Yeah. Okay, then I'll tap on the video here. So I'll drag it to cover the area I want it to drag to cover. Then I'll drag this way with my finger to cover where I want it to cover. So you may need to play this video clip until you get to the part we want to cut off. All right, so now we are trying to do a little bit of editing. So I'll play it. Okay. Then when I get to where I want to cut off, I'll tap for it to stop. I'll move this way until I see the one that will allow me to split. All right. If I don't find splitting tool, I will tap on the video again. I should be able to have a split. Okay. You can see I've tapped on the timeline and I have split. So I will tap on split. Okay. So you can see the one by the right is the safe side. So I want to remove the one by the left. I will tap on it. Okay. For it to have white stuff around it, I'll tap on delete. Okay, so I've deleted that part I don't want. So on the assumption that I'm done with whatever I want to do here, the next step is to export it. And for you to export this video in this landscape, that is the long form, the way it will be in long form on YouTube, tap on this share icon, which is the arrow that points up at the top right. Then once you tap there, you see some options. Tap on download. So you are taken to this page. You can see the video format here is in MP4. Okay, so I'll tap on download. So you got to hold on. This may take few minutes. This video is done downloading. So it's telling me to give them review. So I'll tap on 5 because they're doing well, submit. So now that this have been downloaded, let me get to the home screen, and then now we get to my gallery to see the content. I can see one video is in the Canva category. So I'll tap there, then I will tap on this. Then I'll tap on play button. So you can see this video played without any watermark on it. So if you are tired of using CapCut and you want something you will use that will not have, the watermark of the company placed on it, please go with Canva.